Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you where to find the save game files and config files for Gears of War Reloaded if you're playing on PC through Game Pass. Let's get started. Press Windows plus E on your keyboard. Navigate to Local Disk C. Then Users. Your username. App Data. If you don't see the App Data folder, make sure hidden items are enabled in File Explorer, Local, Packages. Look for a folder starting with Microsoft.Gears of War Reloaded. Open it, and you'll see several subfolders. Local State. Saved, your save game files. Local Cache, your config files. If you want to back up your saves, just copy these folders to another location. To restore, paste them back into the same spot. And that's it. That's how you find the save game and config file location for Gears of War Reloaded on PC with Game Pass. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more quick gaming tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.